Welcome back everyone. In this video, we'll be going to talk about how 15-minute jogging will affect your health, and just 15 minutes of jogging a day could reduce your risk of depression, and how jog 15 minutes a day extend your life by 5 years or more, and what are the 8 benefits of jogging every day you didn't know. So, first of all, we will be going to talk about just 15 minutes of jogging a day could reduce your risk of depression. Evidence suggests that even a small amount of exercise, 15 minutes of jogging a day, for example, could lower your risk of depression. A recent study looked at more than 6 lakh adults, assessing their genetics makeup, medical history, or physical activity level. Researchers determined that participants who were genetically more likely to exercise may be less likely to develop a depression. The key is to be active every day, 15 minutes of jogging, an hour of gardening, get outside and do something. Get your heart rate up 50% higher from where it started for that 15 minutes of activity. If your heart rate start at 60, get it to 90. That's not a crazy amount of exercise. That's mean you don't even need to be sweating or out of breath. Just move in a critical. Now, we're gonna look at how jogging 15 minutes a day extend your life by 5 years or more. So, just 15 minutes of jogging a day at a low, slow, or average pace can lengthen your lifetime by more than 5 years. There's the latest from a European study of Copenhagen residents, the result of which were being presented at a conference in Dublin. Researchers compared joggers and non-joggers from a pre-existing database of over 20,000 men and women, ranging from 20 years old to 93. They found that an hour to 2.5 hours of jogging per week was linked to an increase in life expectancy among men by 6.2 years and women by 5.6 years. Over the course of 35 years, the risk of death fell by 44% among joggers of both sexes, and more strenuously activity didn't necessarily result in greater benefit either. The relationship appears much like a cohort intake, said Peter, chief cardiologist of the Copenhagen City Heart Study. Mortality is lower in people reporting moderate jogging than in non-jogger or those undertaking extreme level of exercise. According to the study, breaking your runs into 2 or 3 chunks over the course of week appears to yield the best result. Don't worry about going fast or exhausting yourself, said the researcher. It's enough to feel just a little short of breath. Okay, now we'll be discussing about 8 benefits of running every day for 15 minutes. We all know that exercise is good for us, but the idea of devoting a large chunk of our already scarce time to hitting the gym or pounding the pavement is enough to make even the best of us whimper on some days. There's hope. However, new research have shown that even running for 5 minutes per day can have a dramatic positive impact on a person's health and well-being. So first we're going to talk about reduced chance of developing cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death in the United States, and devoting as little as 5 minutes per day to moderate aerobic exercise can cut your risk of developing it almost in half. A study between leisure time running and cardiovascular mortality risk published by the American College of Cardiology examined more than 55,000 adults looking at exercise habit over 15 years and found that people who were even slightly active had much stronger heart and lungs. Second benefit is reduced risk of all cause mortality. The same study found that a person's risk of dying from any cause was cut by most one third. He exercised less than 51 minutes per week compared to people who didn't exercise at all. That time can be broken up however you like. 5 to 10 minutes per day, 15 minutes on Thursday, or 35 on the weekend. Even one weekly, not quite an hour long session will give you the same reduced risk of death. The third benefit is live 3 years longer. Not only can exercise reduce your risk of dying, it can actually add years to your life. From the sample of 55,000 participating in the study mentioned above, those who exercised regularly lived an average of 3 years longer. That worked out to more than 1.5 million extra minutes of life in exchange for 5 to 15 minute exercise a day. You could have to live for more than 800 years for not to be worth it. The fourth benefit is improved blood pressure. Given the improved cardiovascular fitness that goes along with exercise, it should be no surprise that working out regularly will improve your blood pressure. Researchers published a study on aerobic interval training reducing blood pressure and improving myocardial function in hypertensive patients were published in the European Journal of Preventing Cardiology. This study showed that the more exercise your heart gets, the better it is at regulating blood pressure. Healthy blood pressure reduces your risk of heart attack and stroke. Exercise really is a no-brainer. Fifth benefit is reduced blood sugar sensitivity.